Hello students, welcome back to AFN Coaching Center YouTube channel. Ajir pora Polytechnic Admission Test PAT 2020 ami online classes start kori asu. This is just because lockdown start hoar pora june amar tat admission loi loisile tahator class bondho koribo loga hoi gol. And therefore from today onwards all the chapters jeta leke lockdown khula na jay তেতিয়া লৈকে আমি গুটে চ্যাপ্টারস বোৰ ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান ইয়াতে কমপ্লিট কৰিম আৰু ইউটিউবত আপলোড কৰিম আপোনালোকে নিজৰ ঘৰত আৰামসে বহি পেলাই আমাৰ ভিডিওস বোৰ চাব বুজিব নোটস বনাব and hopefully when you come back to our coaching center we will see very great improvement আৰু মই এটা কথা ক'ব আছিল যে আমি এই ভিডিওটো bilingual ৰাখিম ইংলিশ এছএমএছ দুইটা মিক্স কৰি ৰাখিম so that ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম হক Assamese medium ho duitai saman bhabe ei video ko buji pabo. So let's start. Okay, so today's topic is time and work. Time and work. A chapter to khuni pura bohutor bhoy lagi jay. But I hope at the end of the video you will understand each and every types of time and work very clearly. So let us start with the concept. Moi agore concept khini di dim and then we will go on for questions. Suppose Ram and Shyam. They are two friends, Ram and Shyam. Rame edinot দুটা চেয়ার বনাব পারে রামে এদিনত দুটা চেয়ার বনাব পারে শ্যামে এদিনত এটা চেয়ার বনাব পারে শ্যাম can make one chair per day and Ram can make two chairs per day. What does that mean? This means this day is your time and this chair is your work. jiman din hi loi ase hetu hol amar time and jiman chair banabo parise hetu hol amar work done. Now you see edinot duta chair tene hole 7 days of kinman banabo paribo 7 days of 14 chair banabo paribo easy. edinot eta chair de 7 days of kiman hobo 7 chair. Fine. এটা কথা নোটিস কৰিব যত এদিনৰ দুটা চেয়াৰ মানে এটা চেয়াৰ বনাবলৈ কম টাইম লাগিছে কিহতকে এতুতকে to make chair here in Ram takes less time than Shyam. So wherever there is less time you can produce more work. যত আপুনি সময় কমকে লব তাত আপোনাৰ দিন তাত আপোনাৰ কামবোৰ বেছিকে হ'ব. What I'm trying to say edinot দুটা চেয়ার বনাই আছে তার মানে কি তার মানে হল in one day he can make two chairs that is his working capacity is more. He time কম লয় বস্তু বেশি বনায় time কম লব বস্তু বেশি বনাব মানে কি work বেশি হ'ব. Similarly if here you see edinot এটাই চেয়ার বনায় ই দুটা চেয়ার বনাইছিল ই এটা চেয়ার বনাইছে ইয়াৰ টাইম কম লাগিছে এটা চেয়ার বনাবলে ইয়াৰ টাইম বেশি লাগিছে এটা চেয়ার বনাবলে that is why ইয়াৰ যেতিয়া টাইম বেশি লাগিল চেয়ার কমকে বনোৱা হল and Ramor টাইম কম লাগিল therefore chairs বেশিকে বনালো. From here what do we understand that time is inversely proportional to work. Time কম লাগিলে work বেশি হয় time বেশি হলে work কম হয়. Okay, so one thing is clear, time is inversely proportional to work, that is clear. Next ahe efficiency aru time or key relation ase. What is the relation between efficiency and time? Now what is efficiency? Efficiency is, again we will take Ram and Shyam. Rame ki korisile edinot দুটা চেয়ার বনাইছিল শ্যামে এদিনত এটা চেয়াৰ বনাইছিল ৰামৰ কেপাসিটি কিমান ৰামৰ কেপাসিটি হ'ল এদিনৰ দুটা চেয়াৰ বনোৱা এই কেপাসিটিটো হ'ল এফিচিয়েন্সি the capacity of doing work in certain time is your efficiency okay শ্যামে এদিনত এটা চেয়াৰ বনাব পাৰে তাৰ মানে এটো হ'ল তাৰ efficiency okay এতিয়া what is the relation between time and efficiency it is very clear if you have understood it already আমি দেখা পাই আছো time বেশি হলে efficiency কম হয় তার মানে ই এদিনত দুটা চেয়ার বনাই আছে তার ক্যাপাসিটি কিমান দুটা চেয়ার এদিনত বাট ইয়ার ক্যাপাসিটি কিমান এদিনত এটা চেয়ার সময় কম বস্তু বেশি সময় বেশি বস্তু কম understood when you can make 2 chair per day when one can make 2 chair in one day how come one can make 1 chair in one day that is the different efficiency of two different peoples okay efficiency differs everywhere jodi kabar efficiency বেশি হৈ আছে kabar efficiency কম হ'ব jiman বেশি time lobo himan কম efficiency jiman বেশি efficiency himan কম time they are similar to this time is inversely proportional to efficiency now we will move on to types of time and work there are 6 types of time and work by types I mean sota beleg beleg dhoroner questions ahe sota beleg beleg dhoroner questions ami question paper ot dekha pam we need to understand all the different types and we will solve it one by one so type 1 is if A can do a work in 10 days if A can do a work in 10 days B can do the same work in 5 days then in how many days A and B together how many days in how many days A and B together will complete the entire work to etu hol amar first type 1 amak ki dia thakibo amak some A is a person anything can do a work in 10 days he 10 dinot he gute kam khini koribo pare kam ki hoy suppose he can make one chair in 10 days B can make same one chair in 5 days jodi A aru B mili pelai he eta chair banai tene hole hihotok kiman din lagibo this is your type 1 question so how you will solve it so what we already know time is inversely proportional to work to ami etu directly ki likhibo paru ami first ote solve korim A 10 days B 5 days etu hol tahator time then hole work ki hobo 1 by 10 work 1 by 5 work these are the days time these are the works khudise ki in how many days will A and B together A and B together mane ki A plus B so what is A plus B 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 10 will be your LCM 2 plus 1 3 by 10 okay now what is the number of days number of days is the reciprocal of it yade ulta 10 by 3 days is your answer 10 by 3 days lagibo A aru B together jodi eta chair banabo try kore okay now don't go back to your school days and just don't remember those things eta line by line ami kiba ta likhilu no we don't want that this is totally competitive exam polytechnic admission test is totally competitive exam and therefore we will use as much short tricks as much we can okay so this is method 1 this is method 1 jot apuni ki koribo time or ulta work hoy so ami hetu ulta kore dilu A and B together khudise A plus B kore dilu normal LCM loi pray 3 by 10 ahil now this is not your answer. The reciprocal of it is your answer. Okay, these are the tricks that we will have to follow. What is method 2? Method 2 is little bit different but widely used. আমি আটাইতকে বেশি method 2 এ ইউজ করব. Now what is method 2? I hope you have written down the method 1 very clearly. যদি লিখা নাই, go little bit back, pause কৰি লোৱা, লিখি লোৱা, take your time. Okay, method 2 is A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 5 days. Okay, আমি এতিয়া ইহঁতৰ LCM লম. What is the LCM? 10 is your LCM. This is the total work. This is the total work. Okay, তাহাঁতৰ LCM লম. এই LCM to হল আমাৰ total work. মানে মই যে কৈ আছিলো যে 10 দিনত এটা চেয়াৰ বনাব পাৰে, no, 10 দিনত 10টা চেয়াৰ বনাব লাগিব, বনাব পাৰে. A can do a work. A work is what? 10 is the total amount of work. Fine. 10 দিনত 10টা চেয়াৰ বনাব পাৰে, ই 5 দিনত 10টা চেয়াৰ বনাব পাৰে. তেনেহলে A আৰু B, A plus B মিলি পেলাই এই 10টা চেয়াৰ কিমান দিনত বনাব পাৰিব? So we will see. ইহঁতৰ LCM লৈ ললো. Now what you will do? This work will be divided by this day. Why? Because we will find out ইহঁতি এদিনত কিমান কাম কৰে. Work per day. এদিনত A কিমান কাম কৰিব পাৰে? 10 divided by 10 is 1 work per day. Okay? Next B. 10 divided by 5. 2 work per day. Understood? A এদিনত এটা work কৰে, মানে এটা চেয়াৰ বনায়. B এদিনত দুটা চেয়াৰ বনায়, দুটা work কৰে. Now what you have to find out is A plus B. এতিয়া আমি ইহঁতৰ ফাৰ্ষ্টতে এদিনত A plus B মিলি পেলাই কিমান কাম কৰিব? A plus B মিলি পেলাই এদিনত 1 plus 3 কাম কৰে. 1 plus 3 work per day. A আৰু B মিলি পেলাই 3 work per day কাম কৰে. We have to find out for total work. Total work A plus B মিলি পেলাই কিমান কৰিব? A plus B total work divided by work per day equals 10 by 3. Okay, 10 by 3 days. This is your answer. Total work মানে এটো work divided by work by day. যদি অলপ confusion হয়, I'll just show you. This work and this work will get cancelled. This D will come in the numerator and you will get 10 by 3 days. This is method 2. অলপ ফাৰ্ষ্টতে বেছি দীঘল যেন লাগিব পাৰে. Method 1 will be much more easier in the first look, but when you go for the conceptual thing, when you will go for understanding and everything, this can be applied to all types of sum. So I prefer যে সবে এটো বেশি ফলো করো, but method 1 is totally easy. Method 1 is also totally acceptable, so you can follow any of the two methods, method 1 or method 2. From now on, if you have any doubts or anything, if you have not understood anything, then just let me know in the comment section. Right now we'll move on with questions. I'll give you the questions. You will be seeing somewhere here in the screen. My screenshot logai dim. Tare pora questions bur note down kori loba, pause kori pela question likhi loba, and then we will solve that question one by one. Yeah. Okay, so question number 1 আপুনি স্ক্ৰিনত ইয়াতে কবাত মই লগাই দিম, আপুনি চাই লব, পজ কৰি পেলাই কোৱেশ্চনটো ভালকে লিখি লওক। X can do a piece of work in 30 days, Y can do it in 20 days, Z can do it in 24 days. Then in how many days X, Y and Z can do it all together? Okay, X can do the work in 30 days, Y in 20 days, Z in 24 days. মই আগতে মেথড 2 পৰা স্টার্ট দিম। What we will do here, we will take the LCM. LCM to কি হয়? Total work হয়। Okay, 30, 20, 24 और LCM হল 120. Fine. এতিয়া আমি কি ওলাম? ইহঁতৰ work per day ওলাম। Okay, 120 by 30 is 4, 120 by 20 is 6, 120 by 24 is 5. Okay, this is what? This is their work per day. Okay, next আমি কি উলাব লাগে? X, Y আৰু Z উলাব কি লাগে? X plus Y plus Z together মিলি পেলাই এই কামখিনি total work খিনি কিমান দিনত কমপ্লিট কৰিব পাৰে? So first we will find out what? X plus Y plus Z এদিনত কিমান কাম কৰিব পাৰে? 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 work per day. Okay, এবাৰ চাই লওক, বুঝি লওক। Fine, 15 work per day কোনে কৰে? X, Y আৰু Z মিলি পেলাই 15 work per day কৰিব পাৰে। What you have to find out? You have to find out for total work. Okay, X plus Y plus Z can do 120 work by 15 work per day in 8 days. Okay, X, Y, Z আমি 120 to 15 কে ডিভাইড কৰিলে কি পাম? ইহঁতে কিমান দিনত 120 work কৰিব পাৰে? কোনে? X, Y আৰু Z মিলি পেলাই। Fine, I hope you understood the first question. This was your question number 1. Next we will do in method 1. তাতে কি আছিল? Time is inversely proportional to work. আমি এটো বস্তু এপ্লাই কৰিম। So how much work will be done? 1 by 30 work, 1 by 20 work and 1 by 24 work. Okay, X, Y আৰু Z মিলি পেলাই কিমান কৰিব? 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 24. ইহঁতৰ LCM কি ওলাইছিলে? 120, 4 plus 5 plus 6 will give you 15 by 120, 8, 1 by 8. And your answer will be here what? Your answer will be the reciprocal of whatever you get here. मालूके याते G पाबा तारे उल्टा तो तुम्हारा आंसर है। 8 days is your answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. So the next question will be here on your screen. A can do a piece of work in 30 days while B alone can do it in 40 days. In how many days can A and B together complete the work? Pause কৰি পেলাই কোৱেশ্চনটো ভালকে লিখি লব। Your question is A can do a work in 30 days. B can do the same work in 40 days. All right? তাহলে LCM কিমান হ'ব? 120. We will divide them. 120 by 30 is 4. 120 by 40 is 3. So A plus B will give you what? 7 work per day. From now on I can just take it যে তোমালোকে বুঝি পাই আছা যে 120 কি হয়, 4 আৰু 3 কি হয়। Okay, for the last time I will say this again. This is the total work. This is work per day. Work per day. Work per day of whom? A can do 4 work per day. B can do 3 work per day. Okay? My next question of bare bare likhi na thaku. A plus B is 7 work per day. We have to find out for the total work. Total or karne ki hobo? For total work, A plus B is 120 by 7 days. Now option of 120 by 7 9 option of ki ase option of ase 17 1 by 7. So when you will divide it, you will get 17 1 by 7 days. How? 120 divided by 7, 1 by 7, 50, 7 is 49, 1, 7, sorry, 17, 1 by 7. Okay, I hope everything is clear till now. Next we will move on to the next question. You can do the same question in method 1 also. That is totally your choice. You can do it in either of the two ways. I'll continue with the ways which I find easier for each question. Jitu question or mate jitu way basi easy hoy moi hitu follow kori. Next question will be here in your screen. A does a work in 10 days. B does the same work in 15 days. In how many days they together will do the same work? So question of here sir. A does a work in 10 days. B does the same work in 15 days. Okay? In how many days A and B together complete the work? We'll go with the same method. 10 and 15. 30 is the LCM. This is your total work. 30 by 10 is 3. 30 by 15 is 2. So A plus B does 5 work per day. Okay? A plus B does 3 plus 2, 5 work per day. So in how many days will they complete the 30 work? A plus B will take 30 by 5, 6 days. Okay? Quite easy. Just check it out once. Note it down and we'll move on to the next question. Next question is, A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together, they will complete the same work in how many days? এতিয়ালৈকে আমি দুজনৰ কৰি আছিলো এতিয়া আমি তিনজনৰ কৰিম A can do a work in 24 days, B in 6 days, C in 12 days. Together they will do a certain amount of work. We'll take it as the LCM. আমি তাহাঁতৰ LCM উলাম. It is 24. Okay? 24. তাৰে পৰা আমি কি উলাম? Work per day. Next step is what? Work per day. Work per day. 24 by 6 is 4. 24 by 12 is 2. Etia A plus B plus C is equal to what? 1 plus 4 plus 2. 7 work per day. Is that clear? Are we clear till now? 24 work, 7 work per day. Now, A plus B plus C can complete 24 by 7, 24 work in 7 work per day, which is 24 by 7 days. Okay, option to same diya ase 24 by 7 days. I hope we are clear. We are using method 2 Okay, we'll move on to the next question. If this is clear, we'll move on to the next question. Jodi kiba doubt thake, jodi kiba buji poa nai, then please let me know in the comment section. The next question is, a man can do a job in 15 days, his father takes 20 days, and his son finishes it in 25 days. How long will it take to complete the job if they all work together? A man, suppose ami agote etu clear kori lo, a man does a job. A man does a job in 15 days. His father, suppose F, his father does the work and takes how many days? 20 days. His son finishes it in 25 days. Are we clear? A is a person, he does it in 15 days. His father in 20 days. His son in 25 days. Just look it once again. Don't get confused. His father, his son. Don't get confused. A. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, A can do a job in so many days, 15 days. His father takes 20 days. His son takes 25 days. So, बहुत student की करे, A 15 days लिखे, F 20 days लिखे. आपको जितो his son बोली दिया आसे, ही होती भावे जाए, एतुर कथा लिखा आसे. But no, question तो यारे लिखो आसे. A can do in suppose this one days, his father does in 20 days, and his son does in 25 days. Okay, so now we will take their LCM. LCM किमान होगा? LCM होगा 300. LCM will be 300. This is their total work. Now if you calculate their work per day, what will be this? 300 by 20 is 15. 300 by 15 is 20. 300 by 25 is 12. Okay, so F plus A plus S gives you what? 15 plus 20 plus 12, 747. Okay, this is what? It whole work per day. We have to find out for total work, right? So F plus A plus S, tarmane A, his father and his son can do 300 work in 300 by 47 days. Optional 300 by 47 9. Optional ase 618 by 47 days. This is your answer. I hope each and every question was very much clear to you all. Next class আমি type 2 কৰিম. Okay, আজি ক্লাছত type 1 কৰিলো, কিছুমান concept বুজিলো, কেইটামান question কৰিলো. I hope you will do each and every questions very thoroughly. You will study them, you will understand them, you will make a note, and when you come to our class, when lockdown opens, যেতিয়া lockdown খুলি যাব, যেটা তোমালোকে আমাৰ ক্লাছত আহিবা, I hope we see very clearly each and every student is clear with this topic. Okay, thank you. যদি বুজি পাইছা, then please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.